gonna go ahead and jump right into the ingredients. You'll need your choice of beans. I'm just using the Bush's Grillin Beans. I wish I had 2 cans of this, but I'm gonna use what I have. You need your barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's is what I went with. Mustard, a package of bacon, which I'm only gonna use like 1/4 of this, and then just some diced up onion and bell pepper. So we're gonna go ahead and get going with the recipe. Okay, in a heated skillet, you wanna go ahead and add in your bacon. This is just 4 strips of bacon that I've chopped up or cut up. So you want to saute that until it's a nice golden brown color. So once you have your bacon looking like this, now you want to go ahead and add in your onion and your bell pepper, just like that. And we'll cook these until they are translucent and the bacon is a nice golden brown color. You do not want your bacon to burn. So I will come back and show you the rest of it in just a moment. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and prepare our beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour all of my beans out of the can. Spread that out just like that. And now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take some mustard and pour that in there, just like that. This will probably be about a tablespoon of mustard. And then I'm going to repeat that for the barbecue sauce as well. That's about maybe 2 tablespoons of that. So we're going to go ahead and mix all of that in. If you want to add in brown sugar, you can. Alright, so I've transferred my bacon, my bell pepper, and onion to a plate. So now what you want to go ahead and do is take that bacon and we are going to put it right into the pot. Just lay it flat just like that, and we'll bake it in the oven. Once it's done, I'll come back and show you how the completed product looks. Again, if you all are liking videos like this, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave some comments down below sharing with me how you all make your baked beans for, you know, family barbecues, things like that. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post new videos. I post weekly on my channel. So yes, I will be back in just one moment. So I hope that you all will definitely try this recipe. I'm always pleased every time I make this, and it's very simple to do. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.